Hey gang, this is David Braun, Southeast Kansas. Working on my own John Deere 102.5 speed today. Put a little bad gas in it from a can I had sitting out in the shed, so I got some water in it. Well, live and learn, but drained the tank out, waiting for a filter, carburetor, and some more line coming. I'm totally out of fuel line, and I was planning on replacing this carburetor one day this summer anyhow, and instead of taking it apart again and cleaning it out, I drained all the bad gas water out of the carburetor, but I just decided to go ahead and get a new carburetor, and a new Kevlar deck belt, 42-inch deck on this, and it's coming Monday. And we just got hit hard today with rain anyhow. I'm not going to do any mowing over the weekend, but I will early next week. Anyhow, that's what I was doing today, Friday. Hope you're all having a good one. Take it easy over the weekend. See you later.